Hey there! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many data analysts encounter when working with large raster files. The problem we're focusing on today involves rescaling the values of these rasters to a range between 0 and 1. Now, this might sound like a daunting task, especially with the large file sizes and complex data structures involved. But fear not, because we have a solution that will help you streamline this process effectively. By using the terra and SFR packages, we can break down the rescaling process into manageable steps. The key is to separate the raster values into different quantiles and normalize them accordingly. We'll also be creating smaller tiles of the large raster to work with more efficiently. One crucial aspect of our solution is parallelization, which can significantly speed up the rescaling process for each raster tile. By leveraging the power of parallel computing with the 4H package, we can distribute the workload and process multiple tiles simultaneously. This optimization will not only save you time, but also make the entire workflow more efficient. Now, when it comes to merging all the individual tile results into a final raster, we'll be using the vart function. This step is essential for consolidating the rescaled values from each tile and creating a cohesive output. However, it's crucial to manage memory effectively during this merging process to avoid any potential issues. As we wrap up this video, I hope you found the solution to be helpful in simplifying the rescaling of large raster files. Remember, parallelization and optimization are key elements in handling complex data tasks efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.